Hi and welcome back to Recipes with Reed. So today I'm going to tell you how to make pasta with basil and tomatoes. So over here I have spiral pasta. You can use any other pasta you like, and I have measured it as 1 cup per person. So while this is boiling, let me tell you the other ingredients. So now I'm going to make the tomato sauce, and the ingredients are 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Also over here I'm using garlic salt. Do remember that garlic salt is salty itself, so if you're using normal salt also, then be aware of that. Then I have salt and black pepper to taste. I have 8 tomatoes which I've chopped like this. I'm gonna chop that too. I have half a cup of parsley leaves. I have 1 onion. I have 1 bell pepper each, every color, and I have some fresh basil leaves, and I have some olive oil. So let's get cooking. So now I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil. Next I'm going to add the onions, and I'm going to cook it for about 2 minutes. Also, don't let the onions turn brown. So now my onions have been cooking for about 2 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and add in the tomatoes and let it cook for about 10 more minutes. Now my mixture has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add in some basil leaves. I'm going to add in the garlic salt. I'm going to add in the black pepper. Also, I'm going to add in the salt. Add water if needed. And I'm going to be cooking this for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now my tomato sauce has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add in the bell peppers. Followed by the parsley. And now I'm going to cook this for another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add in my pasta. So now after adding the pasta into my tomato sauce, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes, and now I'm ready to add my mozzarella cheese. And now I'm going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Also, I'm going to use the Parmesan cheese for the garnish. So, now my pasta looks ready and cheesy. Now I'm going to add in some Parmesan cheese to garnish it. Tastes yummy. Also, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.